Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Fatimah Naya Ramadhanti, and today I'm going to present my final project about my experiment with JetBot. Okay, so here is where I got the code. It's from a website called GitHub. We sourced it from the NVIDIA, as you can see here, and I'm going to put the GitHub link in the description, and we're gonna jump to the analysis that we got from this experiment. So first I'm gonna talk about the experiments with data. So we tested different amounts of data, like 10 free and 10 blocks, and then 100 free and then 100 blocked, and surprisingly the results with 100 data points were worse, and the model kept blocking because we suspect there was like some kind of overfitting, like the outputs for free and block are way too similar. Plus, handling 100 data was more demanding because it's gonna cost like the JetBot to lag during the experiment. And secondly, our data collection methods, where we initially place data points randomly, and then we tried like a more organized approach. However, both methods has similar results, indicating that our way of distinguishing between blocked and free might still be flawed. And next is in the track we use, where our first track was directly on the floor with black tape, and which blended too much with the floor's gaps, like making the model prone to like overfitting, because I think the model wasn't like smart enough to differentiate between the tape and the small cracks on the floor. And in the latest version, we created a track using a white impro board and green tape to like make the boundaries like more clear. And I'm gonna also explain the problem solving, where the JetBot software we use was overly modified due to downloading from different GitHub versions, and this caused issues because they has different containers, and so we reinstalled it back to the version 4.3, and the older version used a container with sudo while the new one uses Docker. And then our JetBot frequently lagged due to insufficient RAM. We addressed this by adding VRAM from memory through coding. And then the power mode is kind of like crucial training to avoid long durations, and we ensured the JetBots was always plugged into a charger during training for maximum power made. And lastly, the JetBot tends to overheat, so we kept it cool with a fan whenever it gets too hot, and make sure that the room is in a great temperature for the JetBot not to overheat. And now I'm gonna show you the simulation.